At times the load is heavy, at times the road is long. When circumstances come your way and you feel you can't go on, when you're feeling at your weakest, Jesus will be strong. He'll provide the answers when you find all hope is gone. He will find a way. For I know that if He can paint the sunset and put the stars into place, I know if He can raise up mountains and calm the storm-tossed waves, and if He can conquer death forever and open heaven's gates, then I know for you, I know for you, He'll find a way. At times your heart is breaking with a pain that's so intense, and all you have